Hey guys, my name is Johnny and welcome to the course. Before we dive in, I want to say one thing. The fact that you purchased this course is proof that you want to become a better version of yourself, at least financially speaking. And this course will help you do that very thing. So also this course will not make you a millionaire overnight, but it will lay the foundation and give you the tools and the principles and the basics necessary to start making the money that you want to make on YouTube. Whether you want to make videos for hobby or whether you want to make videos to quit your 9-to-5 job and make a full-time living, that's totally up to you. But as far as this course goes, the more effort that you put into it, the more that you concentrate and the more that you take notes and study the course, the more that you will learn the basics and principles of how to be successful on YouTube. It's totally up to you. This course lays it out in front of you step by step, but only you are the one that helps you and you only to be successful. It's ultimately up to you to become successful on YouTube. This course gives you all the basics. It lays the foundation for your YouTube empire. It, in fact, lays the concrete. It lays the foundation for you to start becoming the YouTube creator that you were born to be. And this course is not hype. It's not a course that will make you $1 million overnight, because that's not going to happen. It's not a course that's going to get you 1 million views overnight. Now, it's totally possible, because I've seen YouTube creators get millions of views overnight. And myself, on a couple of my videos, I got millions of views. It didn't happen overnight, but the fact that I applied the principles that I'm teaching in this course means that they work. And when you guys apply these principles, when you learn it and you are habitual in applying these principles, you will be successful. Do not give up. You can do it. I'm telling you, you can do it. There are thousands of people making a full-time living off of YouTube. There are millions of people who've gotten monetized on YouTube and are in fact successful. So you can do it as well. There's a structure, there's an art form to it, and I teach you all of this in the course. So get excited. This is the next step in your YouTube evolution. This is the next step on your YouTube journey. I want you guys to be passionate about it and be enthusiastic about this course and about your YouTube success. Stop watching your competitors' videos. Stop comparing yourself to other people. This is you 100%. Concentrate on the course. I promise you, you will learn a lot. And I'm here for you guys. Whenever you need me, my email is always open. My chat on my website is always open for you guys. Let's do this together. Let's stay consistent, persistent, and let's be successful.